YouTube, what's good, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've been doing a lot and not showing y'all nothing. I've been working on, we only have 4 animals left in that shed, and I moved 2 of them out. No. It's only 4 left. The 3 bearded dragons and the gold tegu. Excuse me. We've been doing a lot today, so I haven't had time to record. But let me show y'all what has changed in just one day. Uh-oh. You still ain't got this chick, dude? I added these, so this is cinder blocks, Savannah monitor babies down there, and the gold tegu will go up there. What else? I need to measure this, cause Bubba needs a roof. Look at her, what? Ugh, that's nasty. So, what's good, everybody? I don't want to get copyrighted, so I ain't gonna talk too much. But as you can see from the video, I'm finna set up my turtle enclosure, turtle pond, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna filter it flush the water once or twice a week so that I don't have to keep a filter, because I don't know much about filters yet. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna do a time lapse because we got the music playing. Hey. Okay, y'all, so real quick, we got these 3. This looks like 2, but it's actually one cool one. The other one just fell on my foot, and then that one did too. Then we got these cool things. So I'm gonna bring y'all closer, show y'all how I'm gonna set these up, and then bring the sticks over it. Okay, here's what I got. I got this going down. I'm gonna add more eventually, but let's put water in. All right, y'all. So we're gonna let this fill up, and I'm probably empty it out. Yeah, let it fill up again. I got the lights on. Look at the female. She's hilarious. Okay, so I think I see Gracious. Yep, let's just grab her out and move her over here. Oops, I think I just stepped on dog shit. Yep. How cool is that? Make sure we don't do that again. Let's see who we could find next. Other female red-haired slider. And we'll put her right there. So this water's a bit cold. I think I'm gonna wait till the morning, and the water will be able to heat up. We'll see. And last but not least, my shoe freaking stinks. Let's get the boy Philip, the crazy man himself. Let's see. This water's not too cold. We'll put him up here. Oh, he going in. Alrighty. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna move them now back into the other one and put them in here in the morning when the water can heat up. Because the water they were in is way warmer than this.